Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y11s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. And at the second place here we have geographic locations option, so this option allows us to save the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see the picture, let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get quick access to the gallery, and here it is. By tapping on the center we get access to the gallery options, and to check its location we have to pick this button with I letter. So we get access to the details. As you can see here we have the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.